Hello beautiful people, welcome back to another episode with Boss Beauty. On today's episode, this is actually something I'm really anyway, before I go further, have you subscribed to my channel? Are you watching it because you like me? Are you watching it because you like my content? Are you watching me because you get to see me every week, new videos every week? If that is one of the reasons and you're enjoying what you see, then guys, please support this girl. Subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button now, like now. Yeah, I'm outside your house waiting to give you your present. So yes guys, subscribe. And after you subscribe, make sure you watch my videos. So please support your girl and give a thumbs up if you like what you see, so that I can have the energy to bring you more. So on today's episode, I am bringing you something really unusual, something really not out of my league, not something that I wouldn't do, but I'm just, it's just not something that I thought that I would do. But yes, so guess what? Everything £5, yes. And guess what guys, I didn't buy it for £5. I think I should change it to everything £2.50, because most of the things in here were for £2.50 each. Yeah, you heard it, that was exactly what I said, £2.50 each. It wasn't actually £5. I think I've only got, in this box, I think I've only got like maybe 5 or 4 things. That's £5. Anyway, as we go along, I'm going to tell you the price for each item, but I am so excited to actually do a try on all for you guys. I've seen a lot, like I think that's the only thing that everyone does on YouTube now, and I'm like, God, is this something that I can do? Is this something I'm gonna do? So yes, I'm here and let's get into it. Let's have some fun. Open the box now. I'm nervous and I'm excited at the same time because I really don't know. I know what's in the box, but you know, material wise, quality wise, I'm not expecting too much because you know it's £5, £2.50. But from the videos that I've seen, I know that your products are quite good. So we'll see. Let's see if I'm lucky with what I've got. First dress from the box. I actually love this dress. Like, I love the material of it as well. I love the hand. The sleeve is like really good. This dress is me. Like, this is the kind of dress that I would wear. Apart from the cleavage, I'm not a cleavage living person, so I would wear a vest, which I already did. If you like, you know, showing cleavage, if you have some cleavage to show, I don't have cleavage, so yeah, you can leave it. It's not showing much, but I'm not, so I like it. What do you guys think? Let's show some bum. So yes guys, if you like it, let me know. If not, let me know as well. But yes, I love it. I love the sleeve, and this is a size 10. I was really skeptical about the sizes. I wasn't sure, so to be on the safe side, I took size 10 for most of it, apart from the ones that I feel like, oh, this one looks big. But this one, I didn't want it to be like tight on me, so I went for this. So I actually like this color. It suits my skin, it suits my face, and I'm feeling myself. If you like it, please let me know. If not, let me know, and I'll decide if I'm gonna wear it or not. But yes, I am gonna wear it because I like it. Yeah. Next one up is this green multicolored, green multicolored flower satin top, and I really like this one as well. It looks, you know, the sleeve is quite big, which was what I was really scared about. This is a size 8 to 10, but I like the fact that it's covered at the back. So yes, definitely I would wear this, but the sleeve, I might not wear it. I might give it away. I don't know yet, but I like it. I like the color of it. Yes, so this is the side. I try to look in the list to actually see the price of, you know, each of them, but it doesn't actually have it on. So unless I go on my phone to check the price list, I'm not really sure which is which. So sorry guys, but this is a size 8 to 10. It's definitely big. If the sleeve wasn't really big, then I would have kept it, but it is, which was one of the things that I was scared about. So, and this is the next thing, is a skirt. When I saw this skirt, I really fell in love with it, and I'm like, yes, I have to get this one. So, and I think this was one of the £2.50 one. Yeah, it doesn't actually say the sizes on there, so I don't know. So with my top, I'm just gonna tuck that in. Yeah, don't judge my dressing, okay? I'm not a fashionista. I'm just, you know, doing this so you guys can see what you can get from £2, you know, not to from everything £5 store. It's not £2.50. This looks like it's not closing there. Yeah, staying at home has definitely made me go big, but I would have gone for a size 10 anyway. This is a size 8. So because I know myself, my weight goes up and down, and I know I'm going to be losing some very soon, so I won't be changing this. I'm just gonna either keep it or give it away. But yes, this is a size 8. I like the skirt. I like the color. So with this top, does it look nice? I can't see a mirror. There's no mirror. Put it in the comment section below and I'll think about giving it to you, okay? The next one is this beautiful polka dot dress. It's cold shoulder as well. Yes, I know I'm gonna like this one. It's a size 8. It looks like it's going to fit me, but yes, this is what that looks like. Yes, I knew I was going to like this dress when I saw it. Definitely me, definitely what I would wear. So yes, this is a pass. It's a size 8. It's quite free. It's not too tight, so that even when I eat, you know, my stomach doesn't come out, because when I eat, they show up. So yeah, I like it. What do you think? Is it good? Pictures of this coming up soon on my Instagram at IamTeju88. If you would like to see what, you know, I did with this, how I rocked it, then follow me on IamTeju88. And to see more of my makeup, follow me on at Boss Beauty. So the next item is this. This is a size small as well. It says 8 to 10. Yeah, most of them I was just, you know, being on the safe side. Oh, this is a skirt. Oh, I remember this skirt, but looking at the waist, I was going to say looking at the waist, it looks big, but no, it's not. It's actually fitting really well. Yeah, I like this one. It's really good. With this, even with this dress, if I decide to wear this dress with it, and yeah, let me move this back so you can see it properly. Yeah, can you see the style of the skirt? Yeah, I don't know, you know, if I would wear this. If I'm gonna wear it, it will be with my tight. But then I don't know if that makes sense, if it's fashionable. Like I said, I'm not a fashionista. I'm just, you know, trying out, you know, things that are cheap, literally. So if I'm gonna keep this skirt and wear it, it's not bad. But you know, this, I don't know. Yeah, if you think, you know, it's not too bad, leave in the comment section. I'll be checking. So the next item up is this top. Oh yes, it's is it alternate that they call it, or turtleneck? I've actually gone out of fashion. I don't even know what these things are called. This doesn't even say anything, just says black, size 10, Cosmin. Yeah, I'm gonna wear it with this skirt. Let's see what I'm gonna do with it. I'm gonna be wearing it with tie, definitely. I don't think it'll be that bad. I feel. It's about tights.
Oh.
It's about time. Movie with the pass veggie alaja. Oh. A back of cover. It's not bad. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think. But the top is definitely too big, so that's definitely going away. So I took out my wig. I was already getting stressed. So yeah, which is why I wasn't sure if I'll be able to do this kind of video. I knew I was gonna be really tired. So the next item is this one. It says Sophie number 10. Their names are definitely not helpful because I really don't know what Sophie is. Oh, Sophie is a dress top, a gold one. I like it. I like the color. Let's see what it looks like. Dress was a large one, so I didn't really buy that one for myself. But let's just see, let me just show you what it looks like. In case you are a size 12, 14 and you were wondering, you know, what they have for your size. So this is a shirt dress. It actually is just a shirt with a belt. Obviously I won't be trying that because it'll be definitely big. I actually got that for one of my aunties, so I won't be wearing that. The next one up is this another flowery multicolored. It looks like the other green that I wore. I think I must have fallen in love with the color and I just took two of it. If it is the same thing, I won't be wearing it because we already saw what that looks like. It was quite big. Yeah, it's the same thing. I like the fact that it's long at the back, so even if I wear trousers with it, it's covering my bum. But yeah, it was the sleeve was definitely big, so I don't think I'll be wearing that. The next one up is a size 10. And it's a dress again, so yes, I like this. I like the color. Let's see what that looks like. Dress. I like the colors of the things that I've picked. I really like them. Definitely would wear this. It's quite short as well. I'll be wearing tights with it or wear it as a top. I like it as a top. I like the off shoulder. Yes. I think it's because of my collarbone. That's what makes me like off shoulder so much. Like I really like off shoulder. But yeah, I like the color. I like the fact that this is lace. There's something going on in my neighbor outside. I think I need to go and check. Do you want me to take you guys with me? No, I'm not taking you. The next item up is this. Eh? My mom is laughing at me. So this is a size 10. It's a top. Yeah, that definitely looks big. So I would not even bother. Actually, let me just wear it. Let's just see what it looks like. But it's definitely big. That was one of the things I was worried that I didn't want it to be too small. That was why I picked all the size 10s and 10 to 8 and 8 to 10 to 8. 8 to 10 and 10, you know. But yeah, this definitely, oh, the sleeve is not bad. Body wise, it's not bad as well. But it looks casual. Like I'm just going, maybe for makeup. I could wear it for makeup actually. Just wear my jeans with it. Yeah, but then the frills there, I don't know if they will disturb or not. But yeah, this is what the top looks like. This is a size 8. It's another shoulder top, like dress. I think like the other black one. Yes, these ones are definitely £2.50. For me to have chosen two of the same design, it's £2.50. This dress is £2.50. I'm thinking the only thing I can think of that is £5 at the moment is probably that first dress that I wore. yes, everything of that skirt was definitely. I'm gonna check the prices and link them down. Is this is a size 8. Anza, you're disturbing my video. Yeah, disturbing my video. But as I thought, like all the things that I've got so far is like they're like really, really good. There's possibility that I would see this top somewhere else for like maybe £30, £50, and I'll be like kilo day, kilo top. But the fact that it was £2.50, it was easy for me to buy it. So that's what the top. Yeah, I want to know. That's not the top. That's what the shoe looks like. Yeah, I got the shoe from the £2.50. That was. This shapewear with style. Okay. It's 4 different colors in this for £5, guys. That is a good bargain. This is definitely a good bargain. The reason why I picked this one is I could wear them, as a vest or as a top. It depends what it looks like. So yeah, there's 4 in the pack for £5. I like the colors. So let's open one. I won't be opening everything. Just one is fine. I'm tired already. I just hope it fits. So it's a shapewear top, so it's supposed to tuck in my stomach, all this baby fat. So yeah, definitely not wearing this by itself. I'm gonna have to wear something on top of it. It looks nice, but maybe when my fat goes down I can wear it by itself. But yeah, it's quite long. I like it. Yes, I like this color as well, this nudish color. And I think that's the end of everything that I got. So let's talk, guys. That was very so yes, that's the end of everything. So I actually like all the things that I bought, even though some of them were quite big, the size 10. And the skirt, the white skirt, was small. I know I'm going to be losing weight very soon because my weight is always going up and down. So but if I don't, then I'm just going to give it away. But the fact that it was £2.50 on the box, it actually says when it's gone, guys. That is actually true, because even when I was buying these things, some of the things that I wanted, they were out of stock, so I had to pick something else. And that's why I actually chose 2 of some items like that cold shoulder dress. I really like cold shoulder dress anyway, so it's not gonna go for waste. And that skirt, the frill skirt, I actually really like it. Whenever I wear it, I'll get you guys to see it and see what how I rocked it and all of that. If you would like this kind of try on alls, let me know. And yes, but this is my first, and please let me know if you like it. If you don't, I'm not going to be doing another one, but I think I actually enjoyed it, although I was tired, which was why I felt like I might not be able to do it, but I enjoyed it. I like it. So guys, if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe, watch this video, and click your notification bell so that whenever my new videos drop, you can get the notification. My plan is to give you guys a video, at least one video every Thursday, and then maybe one extra one, like maybe with the kids and things like that, one other day. So maybe 2 videos in a week, it depends, but yes, that's my plan. If you guys like the way the videos are coming in right now, let me know. If not, obviously if you don't let me know, I wouldn't know what you like, and I'm just gonna be doing me. I enjoyed being me. So yes, guys, thank you very much. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.
And check out everything £5. They do have good stuff. Even though it's £5, really they do have good stuff. The things that I bought, none of them is a waste of money. Yes. So thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. See you later. My sister just said yay because she wants to talk. Well, I don't know why she can't just keep quiet.
Because I'm your sister.
Oh please. Anyway guys, we're always fighting. It's alright. She's always talking. I don't know why. I'll see you next time in my next video.
Bye.
Bye. And my mom is jealous of my hand. See you later. Whatever. Bye.